Hey, this is Alex with All Home Investors. Today we're going to show you how to snow flock a tree. As you see behind me, this tree is about 14 years old. The lights went out on it, and instead of trashing it or restringing it, we're going to flock it. All you need is obviously a tree, a step ladder, this powder called snow flock, and then also a sifter and a hose to mist the tree. 3 basic steps. You mist the tree, sift the powder onto it, and then you mist it again to seal the powder, and then it dries for, it says, 24 to 72 hours. So let's see how it goes. First you mist the tree, get your sifter going. As you can see, there's a slight breeze. I recommend doing it in no breeze at all because it made a pretty good mess on the camera with the wind blowing. A trick I found that's much easier is if you lift each branch and sift right underneath it. It keeps the breeze out of it and allows you to have better coverage as well. And then my dear wife pointed out that my shirt was getting a little small, so that was pretty fun. Let's listen in.
When you bend over, your entire back is showing.
My back?
Yeah. I don't know if that's what you want or not, but
My skin?
yes.
What do you mean showing? So it's on camera?
Yeah,
For all of YouTube to see?
exactly. I mean, there's no crack, but there's like a good 2 inches of skin. Oh. So what happens when you wear shirts that are getting too small and need to move on from?
Wow. First of all, I like to think that my shirts are getting a lot smaller because my muscles are getting so much bigger. That's the way I see it. Anyways, moving on back to the tree. So you sift a little bit more after you've used all of your powder. You'll go ahead and mist it, and the mist will actually seal the powder up and make it plastic-like. Let it dry for 24 or 72 hours depending how quickly and where it sits. We had it in the sun. We were able to bring it in to the house that same evening. You'll see the end result here in a second at the end of the video. And there you have it. Flocking is done. We'll do a close-up look with the camera here so you can see what it looks like up close. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.